Alright, here we come to the elevator at the Moody Gardens Aquarium in Galveston, Texas. This is a Schindler with empty fixtures. I rode this elevator a long time ago when I was a kid, and man, this thing is huge. It's a big elevator. Wow, this thing is huge. It's the biggest elevator for a center opening door. You going up?
Yes.
Have a good day. Let's go on the beat. These are your empty fixtures. Here's your phone. Look how they placed the certificate. Looks like it's out of place a little bit. Go to 1. Look, you can see the other number visible right next to the actual number 1 of the floor indicator. All right, we'll go down to B one more time. We're actually ending the video at B because the music is very loud on this floor. The music is very loud over here. Look at this, you can see the letter B visible on the left as well. Alright, here we are at B. Alright, we're going to watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.